Welcome back, and on this product review for Burnout Extra, I'm going to be reviewing a pair of headphones that we've actually had for a long time. These are soundproof MPOW headphones, and they pretty much just cover your ears and protect your ears from loud sounds around you. They definitely aren't the highest of all quality, they are on the lower end. However, I found that they're the best bang for your buck when you're looking for something that will muffle sound, such as an air compressor or like a grinder if you're using loud machinery. These are perfect in my opinion. I wore these at a couple road trips in the MG, and that also helped the wind against my ears if I was in a convertible that's loud on the highway. So as I mentioned, they're right on Amazon. The link is down below in the description. And as of right now, they're about $13 to purchase with Amazon Prime. And as I mentioned, I believe it's the best bang for your buck. They are adjustable on the sides, so if you need to go over a hat or you have a taller head or something like that, that's absolutely something that will make up for it. And they are insulated inside, so they go over your ears completely as opposed to crushing your ears. I found that the only downside about these is when you're wearing glasses or sunglasses, they can kind of put pressure against those sunglasses on your head. And it does hurt after a while. But other than that, the headphones are great in the sense that they just hover over your ears. They do drain out most of the sound. If somebody was talking to you, you probably wouldn't be able to hear them. However, if they were yelling at you, you could hear them faintly. So as I mentioned, this is the MPOW brand. I've been using these for multiple years now. I've never had them rip, tear. I've scratched the sides like no tomorrow, but they still hold up great. The padding on the top is awesome for extra padding against your hat or your head. And as I mentioned, they're only about $13 on Amazon. I will definitely be using these headphones forevermore. And if you want a pair for yourself, click the link down in the description and it will bring you right to the Amazon website where you can purchase some of your own. If you want to see more product reviews like this, feel free to leave a comment in the description. Definitely like the video and subscribe to our channel. That's all for this Burnout Extra, and until next time.